Welcome back. We've got another quick bite with Hy-Vee Dietitian Kaiti George.
Hello. We are going to be making, there's nothing more American than American pie, right?
Exactly.
Hang on.
Apple pie.
Yes, apple pie. Apple pie. That is it. So apple pie, and we're going to take it and we're going to make it just a little bit healthier, okay?
I'm on board.
I know.
I'm on board.
So the one thing that I just think, when I make a dessert, the thing that drives me crazy is it makes so much. And then it lingers and you pick at it and the next thing you know, everything's gone and gosh dang it, that wasn't the intention. So instead of making a whole pie, we are gonna make these little apple pie in a phyllo shell. Have you ever seen these before?
Okay. I have.
So I love to use these and if anybody has come to my classes, these are called phyllo shells. They're little mini pie shells, and just this right here has about 15 calories. That is all. So a serving is going to be 2.
Okay.
2 is 30 calories, and so it's just a lot less calories, less fat than a pie crust. So this is going to be the base. I will say you shouldn't make these ahead of time because the bottoms do get a little bit soggy if we add some stuff.
Okay.
But so just kind of make them and serve them pretty quickly. But this is going to be the start. These phyllo shells are found in frozen. They're found in the frozen section here at Hy-Vee. That's always a common question. Is like, where do you find them?
Yeah.
So in the frozen section.
Okay.
So we are going to take this up and into our phyllo shells. I am just going to add a dab of Greek yogurt, okay? This is a vanilla Greek yogurt, and when I say a dab, we just need a little teeny tiny bit, and this just adds, you know, a smidge of protein, but more so than anything, that creaminess, much like ice cream, right? So that is what we are going to do. We are also going to use apple pie filling. If you want to create your own, you absolutely can. Shortcut is to use the apple pie filling. However, with the apple pie filling, it does come out in slices, and so I have taken the apple pie filling. You can put it through a food processor and chop it, or you could just hand cut it, which I have done. And then I'm just gonna add a little bit of extra cinnamon, more so for flavor. It doesn't need a lot though. So cinnamon, a little goes a long way. And then you're just gonna stir that together. This can actually be served hot or cold. So if you want cold, you can absolutely do it. If you want to warm this through, you can as well. So from here, you're just going to put a slice or 2 of the apples into your phyllo shell. You don't need to overfill it because the bite gets pretty big if you do. So just a little bit of the apple into the phyllo shell, and then we're just going to top it off with a little bit of granola. That granola really makes it feel like that ending of the pie.
Yeah, like apple crumble.
Yes, kind of like an apple crumble. So we're just going to add a little bit of granola from here, and again, you don't need a lot. I have used the Sola granola. Sola granola is going to be just a little bit lower in carbohydrate. If you want to use something like just a regular one, you can absolutely use that as well. So we'll kind of use a little bit of both. Just going to sprinkle it on. And these apple pie bites are just that sweet treat at the end of a meal, and my goodness, do I tell you, they are superb.
This is perfect for a cookout, picnic. I mean, just
a lot of times people don't want like a whole slice of pie. At least I don't. Like, there's maybe a bite or 2. These are just that perfect little bite. And if you don't want to add the granola on top, I mean to tell you, it's totally fine without it. So
this is
easy
so
peasy,
cute
right?
And easy, and we made a dessert healthier.
Exactly.
Always
Sign me up, right?
Kaiti, thank you.
Absolutely.
We'll have the recipe on our website. We'll be right back.